Hi guys, my name is Pete and this is 3D Kitchen. It's Monday, so like every Monday, let's do this weekly overview. Looking for some good opportunities to trade. So as usual, let's start with the US index, so S&P, and on a daily point of view, it's pretty much clear the bearish trend. Okay, so and the bearish momentum as well. So we are in a strong bearish momentum when price broke this trend line, made just this little bit of retracement with this double top, and to make this bearish impulse again. Okay, so right by now, to be honest, uh, probably this week, it's quite easy to think that price will keep on going here down, okay, and make new lows, okay. But as most of the times do, I will not be surprised if I'm going to see the price reaching the premium area, which is this one. This is the reason why I set an alert here. So if price will reach the zone when you see these weeks, okay, so it means that here there are a lot of liquidity, or maybe here, okay, and probably price will going to retest this zone to make new lows or new highs again, okay. And this is pretty much everything about S&P. So let's keep double check at the zone, okay. So above these two highs, but quite close on the 75 of the Fibonacci retracement of this swing, which is basically this inefficiency, okay. I want to see price here, maybe not this week, maybe the next week, but I'm pretty much sure the price will going to retest the zone, okay. Okay, so quick view on gold. Just because we are in a very interesting demand zone, okay. The green line is the POC of this zone, and as you can see, price made here a new high, going to retest, okay, this zone again, then going up, going down again to retest this liquidity zone, sorry, this order block here, okay, and made a new high. Now obviously this is a quite interesting zone as well, where price will probably react, but to be honest, I will open, I will consider opening a short position only when I will see price here, okay. So let's have an eye on in this zone, okay. Let me set an alert. Okay, so let's move down. We have AUDJPY. AUDJPY well, price made a new. This is probably a Wyckoff schematic. I mean, uh, here we have liquidity. Okay, this could be a buying climax. Okay, price made in lows. So here, and also broke this zone, made another low here. This is a very good strength of weakness, so that sellers are taking control of the market. And then with this another impulse, price went to grab all the liquidity left here. So this is stop loss hunting, and then go down again. Okay, so what does it mean? I just the only thing that, I mean, I'm just a little bit not worried, but I want to see price breaking this structure, okay, this zone, okay, this supply zone, and to be pretty much sure that we are going to be definitely bearish. But anyway, probably is going to do it. Okay, so now price is going to retest the zone here. Okay, so the third quarter of this swing. Okay, so we're going to see price here. When price will be here, we're going to considering a short trade. Okay, on a 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, yes, price made a new high here, breaking this seller dominance. Okay, a retest here, probably this is the 75, more or less. Price will going to do this thing and then go up to retest the this zone again, on, or when price will break this zone, so make like this, retest it, and go down. Okay, so this is a very crucial zone, okay, for AUDJPY. The next one, EURGBP, and this is very interesting, guys, because as you can see, we are in a very important zone. So here price tested this level 4 times. Okay, so now as you can see, after this huge bearish impulse, made a new high here, signal of strength, and then this is a beautiful pattern. Okay, let me highlight better for you. So this one, okay, what does it mean? I'm sorry, what does it mean? After two, basically one double bottom, price made it this spike, which is a clear signal that price want to grab all the liquidity here, okay, above this below, sorry, these two lows, okay, and make this big impulse. We are in a day time frame, so this is very huge. Retested this level, which is the low of this inefficiency, okay, and let me see, where is 75, I just want to see price here, okay, inside this this zone, and sorry, this zone, which is, this is a very crucial level as well, and I will probably open a buy limit order here, okay, with TP just here, which is this where is this resistance, okay. So this is a very interesting trade for this week. If price will break the support, this one, okay, so it will close daily below the support, probably price will going down, okay. But until that, we're going to consider a long position. EURGBP on a daily time frame, as you can see, we are on a bearish channel, okay. So price refused to break the trend line and made this long impulse. So now we have two possibilities, both short. The first one is waiting for the price to retesting this zone, okay. So basically the spike, which is the 75 of this swing, and go down. Or the second thing, which is, on my personal opinion, the one that I consider the most, because it's probably one market maker's move, or an institutional big move. So grab all the liquidity here, okay, inside this demand zone, take all the stop losses, grab liquidity, and go down again. But I want to, I only want to consider a short also for euro Japanese yen, okay. So let's move down again, and we have euro USD, and here, as you can see, we already saw this pattern today, okay, which is quite similar to EURGBP, I suppose, yes. But as you can see, we also have here something interesting, okay. So price made a new high, signal strength, broke this structure, go down, grab the liquidity, and go up again, okay. Well, this is a pair that I keep to monitor, okay, for all the week. This is I'm not ready for a long trade, just because I just want to see the price breaking this resistance zone, okay. I just want to see the price closing above this resistance, okay. So make a new high, then I will wait for a retracement, okay, basically on the 75 of the swing that is going to be created, and then go long, okay. This is what I think. This is another thing, a very interesting thing, that price made a new high here, retest, grab the liquidity, go up, retest again the zone, okay. So new high, liquidity grabbing, stop loss hunting, retesting, and finally go up. So what does it mean? That this swing is going to be retested, okay, like it's going to do right by now. And so on the long term perspective, I just want to see price reaching, testing this zone again, okay. And if we take a volume profile fixed range, this is a very good level for considering a long position, a long trade, okay, on a long-term perspective. Okay, so be careful when price will reach the zone, which is the 75 of this swing, but I want to see a new high here, okay. But if the price will break this support, go here could be a very good zone for opening a long, okay, a long trade, waiting for this pattern, okay. So same thing, waiting for a retest, new high, retesting, okay, 75 of the swing that is going to be created and go long, okay. We have GBPUSD, and on a 4-hour time frame we have quite good opportunity, because after a bearish overview, a bearish impulse, price made a new high, retesting and going up for a huge movement, okay. So same thing, now price will retest again this zone, okay. This zone, and this is 75. So as you can see, market is moving always the same, okay. So now this is the impulse, 75 of this swing, and then going down, okay. So this is what is going to do GBP USD. So going here, retesting this zone, okay, to going up again, okay. So I just want to see, on a very long-term perspective, I just want to see price here, okay. But for a middle-term trade, price here made a new high, okay, here breaking this structure, okay, that is going to be retested, try to make a new high, was not able to do this. So I just want to wait for the price to reach this 75, okay, which is also close to this support, turning this resistance, turning support, okay. If price will break also this zone, I will wait it to retest this, or this supply zone as well, okay. So like this, waiting for a pattern. If price will not push, making new highs, here is going here, and then here I wait for the pattern, okay. So this one, and then as usual 75, okay. So that's pretty much it. We are 90 minutes, so as time is ending. Let me think what you think about this this video, this analysis, and what you want to see more. So thumbs up and same old things. Thank you very much, guys. See you to the next video.